Yeah, today's Ranelin Nightbow's under 10 products tag that I am dying to do. Yes, I'm trying something totally different, which is I am doing, I don't usually wear the contouring, but I'm going to do this. You see, I put it here. And the other ones, the light ones, where I want to enhance. So it would be here and here. And I'm trying this, so I would say, and I'm using this amazing brush. So I'm first going to blend in the light ones. And here we go. So I'm trying this different technique. I would say it's not what I usually do. Yeah, I'm trying something different. And I think this is so cool. I wanted so badly to do this tag because it's an amazing tag. And so, okay, you use 10 products or under and you create an amazing makeup. So I don't know, for now, I would say these would be, I don't know, 1 or 2 because, yeah. After I blended the light ones, don't be afraid to blend the dark ones. And here I'm just going to, okay, blending, and I will be right back. You see how cool? It blended everything, but there's a twist to this. Yeah, there's a twist, and we're gonna do it right now because my little Monty ate it, but after that, you do this. Because this is what's going to set everything in and look beautiful. Because we want to look beautiful, right? I think this is so cool. After this, we're using some powder to set it in. I usually don't use powder because, but this works like magic. And we want to look beautiful like magic. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get, this is already a damp beauty blender, and I'm putting a lot of powder here. Just take it off a little bit and dump. This is what we are doing. Under the eyes. Do you see this? Now, this amazing, I love it. You see? It's not creasing or anything like that. It looks beautiful. Now we're to do the other part. Okay, let's do some eyes, and with one palette, we're going to do a bunch of stuff. With this palette, we're going to do a lot of stuff. So I will choose, I'm going to choose a color first. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go today for lighter colors. So we'll be doing like, let's say, this one, a pinkish. Yeah, let's try this. It has a little bit of shimmer. It's going to look very pretty. So let's try it here on this eye. I'm going to put it all over my eyelids. It's going to be a simple look, but a pretty look. I'm not going to use too many colors. It looks pretty. I like this color. It's like a rose shimmery color. It's pretty nice. So sometimes I like to exaggerate, but oh, look at that. I like it. Let's enhance our eyes. Oh, wait, let's see. Underneath, I will add, let's say, a little bit of gold. This color here, do you see this color here? we're adding a little bit of a gold color underneath. Let's try this. Oh, I like it because it's very subtle. Monty, honey. It's very, very subtle, but I could go out and I could go out with my husband later on with the same makeup. How cool. See, it looks pretty. I like it with the gold. And I might do a little bit darker here, another gold on the outer corner, just to give a little bit of, yeah. Today I'm just doing very simple and pretty. Okay, I'm done with the shadows. I'm done with the eyeshadows. But something else that we can do is that we can get also this rose gold, and let's do a little bit of highlighting here and some highlighting on our cheeks. I'm not kidding. You see? Highlighting our cheeks. I'm not going to put it around here because fine lines it. Here, here, and we are done. Okay, so then I'm going to eyeline my inner corner, outer corner, under the lashes, and then I will add some mascara, and I'll be right back because then we're going to have to count all our products that I'm using. For me, what I already put on the inner corner, outer corner, and this amazing mascara. But what I found out that works for me is I get the black pencil here, and while I'm doing, I can't do the wing, it doesn't work for me, but I found out that if I go underneath, not on the top, if I go, oh, a bird, don't push it too much. If you go underneath and just, you see, you have a little wing there going on, and it works perfectly for me. Okay, so I've done my eyes. I exaggerated a little bit with the mascara because I think it looks gorgeous. Now blush, I'm not going to exaggerate. I'm going to use this color here, but what I am loving so much is this baby here, the fan. Ooh, I hope Monty doesn't see this, because if Monty eats it, I'm going to be very upset. I'm going to try something different, and I'm going to use the fan. Okay, the blush, I also found out that it has to be like here, because I have those wonderful cheekbones, but it works beautifully for me. As you can see, it does work. It goes up, 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 and we go up, 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 and it works amazing. Look at that. I loved it. I really, really enjoyed it. I love blush. I love blush. And I think that is enough. Okay, so blush. Last but not least, lips. I'm going for this one. It's like, has a little shimmer to it, and I like it. It's pink. I'm enjoying this one a lot. Anyways, so this tag is so cool. I loved it. I'm going to call it the Ranolin tag because the Ranolin Nipo tag. Now okay, I guess my makeup is all done. Yeah, I can go out, I can stay in if I want and look pretty. I think I look cool. Okay, so let's count. Let's say 1, 2, because I want to be fair. 2, mascara, 3, blush, 4, lips, 5, the eyeliner, 6, the powder, 7. I still have room for eyebrows. Using 8 products. 8 products, and you have a complete made up makeup. So I'm using this brow. I'm not very much into brows because I've been always wearing bangs. For the sake of the video, I will do my brows, and let's try something different. And just to fill in a little bit because it's not my thing. Oh, and go, ooh, I think I exaggerated, but look what I do. I erase it. Just filling in just like that, just like a feathery, just to give it a little touch. That's it. my makeup is done. So I have 8 products. My makeup is done. I loved this style because I did a lot of mascara. A lot, tons of mascara. Look at that. I did tons of mascara. The blush, and that's it. The technique with the sponge and the powder, what works beautifully. Please do this tag. It is amazing. I think Bella would love to do this tag. I think she would. Don't forget to check out Ranelyn Nipos, my friend from Hawaii. The tag that she's doing, 10 products under. I have to count it all over again. But anyways, I think it came out pretty good. The technique did work for me and I'm enjoying it. I love it. And I put on these light earrings on contrast, sweater that I thrifted. So yeah, I'm ready for the day. I guess I'm going out with Monty. I might take Monty out for a walk, even though he's grounded. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Let me know if you do like these products. I will link all the products that I use down below, how many products I did use, and I'll see you in my next video, and my next video, and my next one, and the next one.